Welcome. Find a comfortable place to rest, allowing your body to settle in its own time. You don't have to go anywhere or solve anything. Simply allow yourself to arrive here right now. Take a slow, conscious breath in and gently let it go. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Feel the quiet support of the ground beneath you. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. Perhaps the warmth of the summer air touches your skin. Perhaps you hear birdsong in the distance, or leaves moving slowly in the breeze. Whatever is here is enough. Imagine yourself starting to walk along a quiet woodland path. The morning sun filters through the branches above, creating shifting patterns of light on the earth. Your step is unhurried. The forest asks nothing of you. As you walk, you begin to notice small moments that might have escaped your attention before. A fern slowly unfolding, wildflowers growing beside the trail, a quiet sound of a stream somewhere nearby, and the fragrance of cedar warmed by the morning sun. Life continues gently all around you, without effort, without hurry. And with each conscious step, your own breath begins to find that same rhythm. Ahead, the path opens into a peaceful meadow. Golden grasses move like gentle waves beneath the summer breeze. You find a comfortable place to pause, perhaps sitting on a smooth stone, or simply standing quietly, feeling the earth beneath your feet. As you rest here, bring your attention gently toward your heart. Breathe into your heart, simply noticing. Perhaps there have been moments when life has felt uncertain. Moments when you wondered if something within you had faded. But here, in this quiet place, there is nothing to search for. Nothing is missing. Like the sun behind passing clouds, your inner light has remained. Sometimes hidden, never gone. Rest with that possibility. There is no need to convince yourself, only notice what feels true in this moment. Perhaps beneath the thoughts, beneath the busyness, there is already a quiet steadiness, a gentle warmth, a peaceful knowing. Not something you must create, something you are remembering. Allow yourself to rest there for a few breaths. Notice how the sunlight rests softly across the meadow. It doesn't force itself, it simply shines. Perhaps your own heart can be like that, not needing to strive, not needing to prove, simply allowing its quiet light to be present. Feel your shoulders relaxing, your jaw unclenching, and your belly soften. Your breathing is easy. Your whole body is supported by the earth beneath you. For these few moments, simply rest. There is only this quiet presence and perhaps a gentle remembering that the light within you has always been here. Before you go, receive this blessing. May you remember that your light was never lost. May you trust the quiet wisdom that lives gently within your heart. May you notice small moments of beauty that remind you life is always unfolding. May you meet yourself with kindness, patience, and compassion. May your heart remain open to wonder. May peace settle softly within you. As this meditation comes to a close, if you feel drawn, you may wish to spend a few quiet moments creating. Perhaps paint or draw the light you discovered today. A color, a shape, or a simple meadow. Or perhaps only a single brush stroke that reflects what your heart is feeling. There is nothing to get right. Simply allow your hands to continue the quiet conversation that your heart has already begun. Thank you for spending this time with me. And whenever the clouds return, may you remember the light has always been there, waiting quietly to be seen again. May you carry this gentle light with you into the rest of your day.